In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play Games login problem or sign in problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Play Games, tap on Play Games. Make sure your Google Play Games is up to date. Then go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Now search for See All Apps. Now search for Play Games. Tap on Google Play Games. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Delete. Tap on Permission. Allow permission. Now search for Play Service. Tap on Google Play Service. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Google Play Games. Now tap on Continue. Now I hope that this method fixes Google Play Games login problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.